In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add income tax in FreshBooks. This is a comprehensive guide that will walk you through each step, ensuring you can manage your finances with greater efficiency and accuracy. Let's begin by navigating to the FreshBooks website using your preferred web browser. Simply type FreshBooks into the search bar and click on the official website link. Once you're on the FreshBooks homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Login button. This will bring up the login screen where you'll need to enter your account credentials. If you've forgotten your password, there's an option available to help you reset it. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the FreshBooks dashboard, which offers a quick snapshot of your accounts and activities. Next, look for the Payments option on the menu. Clicking this will lead you to the Payments section where you can manage your financial transactions. Here, you'll want to click on Other Income. This area allows you to track and categorize additional sources of income that aren't directly tied to invoices. In the Other Income section, you'll see various entries, and to proceed, look for the checkbox. Clicking this checkbox will select the applicable entry, preparing it for modifications. Following this, you'll notice a green plus sign somewhere on the page. Click on this plus sign to add a new entry or modify an existing one. Now, you're ready to record a new source of income. Identify the field labeled Source and type in the details of your income source. Having a clear description helps maintain clarity in your records for future reference. After specifying your source, navigate to the Income category drop-down menu. Select the most appropriate category for your entry, since this categorization will assist in organizing your financial data more effectively. With the category chosen, next is the Payment Method section. This allows you to specify how the income was received, be it by cash, bank deposit, etc. It's important to provide this information to ensure accuracy in tracking how funds are moving into your account. The following step revolves around applying tax. Head to the Tax section and click on it. Here, you'll find another checkbox that needs to be checked to confirm the inclusion of tax in your record. Once ticked, click on Apply Taxes to calculate and apply the necessary taxes to this entry. To wrap things up, assign this income to the relevant client, if applicable, by selecting the client from your list. Finally, type the total amount in the grand total field. You may also choose to add a brief description to provide context or details about the income entry. When all information has been correctly entered, look for a green check icon. Clicking this will save your adjustments and finalize the process. That's it. You've successfully added income tax in FreshBooks. By following these steps, you've ensured a comprehensive and organized approach to managing your finances. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and guides.